Hyundai Excel second generation, X2, 1989 to 1995. Brought as a new generation, the 1989 Excel was more like a next facelift. A new version of the 1.5-liter engine was introduced, with electronic fuel injection instead of a carburetor. This 1.5 MPI produced 85 horsepower, 62 kilowatts. Most remarkable, the 1989 look was very short-lived. With the 1990 model year yet another facelift appeared. Another notable fact was the renaming of the four-door Pony sedan to Excel in Europe. This transition went gradually. For example, in the Dutch 1989 brochure, photos of a Pony badge sedan are shown while the text refers to Excel. The 1990 brochure shows an actual Excel. The 1.5 MPI engine was not offered in the five-door Pony. On the other hand, both the Pony three-door hatchback as well as the Excel four-door sedan came in a vast amount of models. The second-generation Excel was given a facelift and slightly enlarged from 1990 onwards, while its engine adopted multi-point fuel injection, and a new 4-speed overdrive automatic transmission was offered. The 1.3 model and the Mitsubishi Colt also shared the same engine and gearbox. The Excel's 1989 styling was closely related to the all-new Sonata, which was launched in Europe for the 1989 model year. The midsize Sonata, successor of the Stellar, underwent already a facelift for the 1990 model year. The styling of the Excel followed in late 1991 to keep the resemblance with the Sonata. Most noticeable was the front end, where all three cars' orange indicator lenses were replaced by clear ones and the headlamps became less rectangular. From 1991, the 1.5 versions were badged 1.5i to denote fuel injection.